for cat. Cat means billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for loin. Loin means sheep. M for mango. Mango means aam. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for ship. Ship means पानी का जहाज. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for Volian. Volian means Volian. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree means Christmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means पहाड़ी सांड. Z for zebra.